Welcome to Design with Miyoshi. We're going to make the front of the semi-trailer.
But first, I want to thank Northwest Technical Products for sponsoring this video. If you are part of an educational institution in Washington, Alaska, Oregon, Idaho, or Montana, contact Northwest Technical Products for all your SolidWorks and other technical needs. Thanks, Andrew, and all the crew at Northwest Technical Products.
We're going to start with a new part, of course. Hit OK. And even though we don't really need to, I'm going to go ahead and make this. So sketch. And I'm going to make this one on the right plane. Even though we don't really need to, I'm going to go ahead and do that anyway. All right, let's make a rectangle. And of course, I'm going to center it up. Center line from corner to corner. Add a relation. Got the origin and this line, make a midpoint, and then I'll dimension. Now, look at this guy here. Height's going to be 4. The width's going to actually be 1 inch less than the width of my trailer, which is 5. And that way it fits totally inside that front, and the front is where the front actually is. Okay, so I'll hit OK there, and we'll do features, extrude boss face, and we'll go ahead and I'm going to go the other way, even though it's not necessary. I'm going to go ahead and extrude that 1 inch back. And yeah, I'll hit OK. And then I'm going to grab that face. We're going to do a sketch, and we're going to grab sketch. We're going to grab that face. And we're going to do offset entities. We're going to grab the face. We can change that to 0.5. And then we'll grab the face. It's going to go outside, so I'll do reverse. Hit OK. And then I'm going to go ahead and do extrude cut. So features, extrude cut. I won't go 1/2 inch. And I want to flip side to cut. So I'll be on the outside. Hit OK. And there it is. That's the front of my semi-trailer. It'll fit right in there, just like that. So I hit save. Of course, I could have made a mistake, but I think that's it. Semi-trailer front. Let's save. And then, of course, we'll make a new drawing from the part. Make drawing from part. See a landscape. Excellent. We'll go to drawing, model view. We'll bring in all those views, create multiple views. Front, nice symmetric. We don't really need the right side. We'll do hidden lines and sheet scale. That's good. I'll move this up. And even though probably, if I could actually isometric is probably not a big deal. Let's go ahead and get rid of that view. And this guy's a little bit tall for those dimensions. So let's say enable. We might change scale. See. All right. So okay. Annotation. Model items. Entire model. All views. Okay. No, it's not too bad. So we'll do this one over here. And that's fine. Yeah, that's okay. We'll do that. That's fine. I'll bring that up here. Bring the endpoint up. Bring the endpoint up. Make sure there's a gap. And I might be a little bit close. Bring the 0.5 outside. Yeah. Now, I don't really like it that much. We'll see. Get that endpoint being closer. Yeah, it'll be all right. Not the best drawing, but we'll just leave it like that. It'll be fine. So I'll hit save. But I don't have to save yet. I'll right click on sheet format. Actually, let's do this. To drawing. Let's do a model view, and let's go ahead and make a tri-mesh instead. So bring the tri-mesh over here. Yeah, you can't see it very well either. Yeah, that's okay. We'll just leave it there. It'll be fine. I probably should just rotate it the other way. Okay, so I will right click on sheet format, edit sheet format, put in my name, all caps, the date, and the title of my design firm. Make that fit in there better. Title of my drawing. There we go. And right click sheet format, edit sheet. Zoom out a bit. There we go. That's good enough. Say that looks good. Save as PDF. There we have it. The side of my trailer, or the front of my trailer is now done too. So it's probably not the best drawing. Oopsie. I'm not quite done. Look at that. Forgot that endpoint there. Grab that endpoint, pull it out here. Grab that endpoint, pull it out here. If I could pull it the other side too, that would actually let's do that. Let's just Control Z that. Oopsie. Control Z. Control Z. What happened? No, hopefully didn't do that. Okay. Oh well, it's okay. Bring that to that side instead. Line up to 5. And then we'll bring these guys to that side instead. Yeah, that makes it better. Yeah, flip on readable, hit save. Save as. Save as PDF. Say spread over it. Of course I do. And there we have it. The front of my semi-trailer. All done, ready to go, put on the assembly. Thanks for tuning in. Oops. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Design with Miyoshi.